Hi guys, welcome to Teller Hosting. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the file manager in the cPanel. So sit tight, and firstly you log into the cPanel by going to the Teller Hosting website, which is www.tellerhosting.com. Once you're in the website, you click on Services, you click on Starter cPanel, you scroll down a little and you click on Login to cPanel. Once you're logged into the cPanel, you scroll down a little till you get to the Files section. Once you're in the Files section, you locate and click on File Manager. Once that's done, you notice the File Manager is divided into three main parts. The left panel, which displays your website folders. The right panel, which displays the contents of the selected folder. Then the toolbar panel provides options like upload, copy, move, delete, edit, and more. So quickly, let me teach you how to upload your files. Navigate to the folder where you want to upload your files, which is your public_html. Then you click the upload button in the toolbar. Once that's done, you can choose to drag and drop or select the file you want to upload from the computer. Wait and make sure the file has been uploaded successfully and it appears in the folder. Once that's done, you can also choose to edit your files. By locating the file you want to edit in the right panel, you right click on it and select edit or code edit. Now note that code edit is for syntax highlighting and for a better editing experience. But once that's done, you make your changes in the editor and click Save Changes. Next, I'll teach you how to create new files or folders. Firstly, you click on plus file or plus folder depending on what you want to create. Then you enter the name of the file or the folder. Once that's done, you click Create New File or Create New Folder depending on what you are creating. Nextly, you can manage your files or folders by right-clicking on the specific file or folder, then using the options like Move or Copy. Then you copy or move your file or folder to the specific destination. Nextly, if you want to delete, you click the Delete option on the toolbar. Once that's done, follow the on-screen instructions by checking the box if you want to delete permanently. Once you're satisfied, you confirm and voila, you've deleted your file, folder, or your content. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your website using the file manager in cPanel through Teller Hosting. That's it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you have any issues, you drop them in the comment section. We will attend to every comment, or we can just create a new video to thoroughly address any confusion you might have faced whilst trying to manage your website using File Manager in the cPanel via Teller Hosting. See you on the next one, guys. Teller Hosting out.